Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Since last year, more than 500 students and 48 instructors from 8 Salesian technical and professional training centers have benefited from mixed learning in presence and remotely. Important. That's why we are pleased to be able to support Salesians looking for a new way to educate students and to ensure that their teachers have the necessary resources to continue to provide adequate technical and professional training. On World Childhood Cancer Day, which occurred on February 15, we share the beautiful story of Maureen and Brian, two young Kenyan children suffering from cancer, saved by the generosity and solidarity of a British Salesian alumni, Francis, and his wife, Joanne. The cost of children's medical care has come close to 1 million shillings in Kenya, several thousand pounds. It was Francis and Joanne's wonderful generosity that gave Maureen and Brian a new life. Don Bosco and his heavenly mother will surely bless them for it. 10 months ago, the young people of the Salesian Youth Movement (MGS) and Salesian speakers started several activities to support the campaign Por el Pan de Cada Dia for Daily Bread, carried out by the Salesian missionary prosecutor Mission Don Bosco and aimed at helping the families hardest hit by the pandemic. This great campaign of youth solidarity raised $14,064 that were handed over to Don Francisco Sanchez, Inspector, on 11 February through a symbolic check which represents the fate that moved the hundreds of boys and girls who made up the different groups, their motivation to share, their great sensitivity to discover God in others and the value of solidarity. The Salesian work Don Bosco Famble, under the guidance of Don George Mario Crisafulli, is promoting the activities of newly graduated women from Freetown, distributing their starter kits to work. The young women recovered from situations of extreme vulnerability. Thanks to the various Salesian programs, these women have received training in the field of tailoring, tourism, catering and hair care. Don Bosco Famble now sponsors the activities of these women so that they continue to carry out their new jobs without having to return to previous occupation, which are the result of their dignity. The Salesian family of Toronto celebrated Don Bosco's feast. This year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, the celebration took place online. Through the Zoom platform, 95 families participated in the traditional mass celebrated by Don John Maria Pragasam and in the renewal of the promises of the Salesian cooperators. During the festivities, Don Timothy Zach, Inspector SUE, greeted all the participants, while Sister Francine Gulmete presented the Strena 2021 of the Rector Major. On Saturday 13 and Sunday 14 February, the General Counsellor for Missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, visited the Latin American community, Latinos and Don Bosco, at the Salesian parish of Genoa, Sampierdarena. Respecting the health protocols, Don Maravilla met some of its members and presided over the Eucharist. Latinos and Don Bosco is a community composed of about 1,000 people from different parts of Genoa. The Salesian community of Sampierdarena welcomed the first migrants 10 years ago. Currently, the parish animates for them a mass in Spanish on Saturday evenings and Sunday at noon, which before the pandemic was normally well attended. Of migrants actively participate in oratory and parish catechesis for the sacraments, and even some Italians now join the Mass in Spanish. The community is led by the Deputy Parroco, Father Daniel Coronel, who was sent as a missionary as part of Project Europe. A few days ago, the new report on the activities of the Borgo Ragazzi Don Bosco, the symbolic work of Salesians in Rome, was published, completely dedicated to the most fragile and at-risk minors. Entitled No Home is Far Away, the document presents the help offered in the context of the pandemic to 1,045 children and 389 families. Numbers behind which shows the history of Mary and integration of Massimo and the complicated relationship with the family of Francisco, who had just found the job and lost it during the lockdown. triple proposal to experience Christmas time as an opportunity to renew faith, hope and charity. The first calls to welcome the truth and to become witnesses of it before God and all our brothers and sisters. The second is life water that allows us to continue the journey. The third is life on the road, footsteps of Christ in attention and compassion. Let everyone be a workable Lent path accompanied by Lord Jesus, who continues to give life for FMA and for the world. Mary helps support her commitment to spread hope, especially among the young people, and the Lord puts on the path. Mother Yvonne Reungut. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.